wandered into the garden, a soft breeze ruffled her fur. She spotted a pile of colorful autumn leaves. An idea sparked in her bright eyes. "I can make a crown," she exclaimed. Bingo watched curiously. Bluey began picking the biggest leaves. One by one she arranged them carefully. Mom peeked through the window. "What are you making, Bluey?" she asked. Bluey held up a leafy crown. "Look, Mom. A crown for me." Dad stepped outside, eyes twinkling with amusement. "You're going to be the queen of leaves," he said. Bluey giggled and twirled. Bingo wanted one too. "Can I make a crown too?" she asked. Together they collected more leaves, mixing red, yellow, and orange for the perfect blend. Bluey carefully placed her crown on her head. It wobbled slightly but stayed. "Ta-da!" she shouted. Mom clapped and laughed. They raced through the garden, leaves crunching beneath their paws. Bluey's crown bounced with every step. Her ears twitched in excitement. Suddenly, a gentle gust of wind lifted some of the leaves from the crown. "Oh no!" Bluey cried. Bingo helped chase them down. Together they rebuilt the crown, stronger and more beautiful than before. Snickers ran by, confused by all the commotion. Bluey placed the final leaf, her crown now perfect. She posed proudly. "Queen of the garden," she declared. The sun began to set, painting the sky in pinks and golds. Bluey and Bingo sat on the grass, admiring their leafy creations. Mom snapped a photo. "Smile, my little queens." Bluey waved at the camera. If you love our leafy adventure, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more magical moments.